Welcome children, how are you all? Welcome back to our online class. And we have started the first lesson, right? Cells and its function. We have studied about cell wall. Do you remember? Plasma membrane, right? Okay, the cell and its structure. On the basis of presence or absence of organized nucleus, cells are categorized into prokaryotic without organized nucleus. Like there is no nucleus, it is called prokaryotic. Eukaryotic cell with organized nucleus. Okay. Prokaryotic cells, the above description was primarily about eukaryotic cells that contain a membrane bound nucleus. Cells that do not have a nuclear membrane bound nuclear material are called prokaryotic cells. Underline it or write down in the notebook, okay? Prokaryotic cells. We have mentioned earlier that the bacterium is a prokaryotic cell. What is the example of prokaryotic cell, children? Bacteria, okay? Cyanobacteria, blue-green algae also belong to this category. The next important part in the cell is the cytoplasm. Okay, when we look to the temporary mounts, when it becomes fluid, clear that the fluid is basically a medium in which various particles and membranes float around, and the functions of the cells take place in these organelles. It began to understood that life resides in this organization. In particular, the material inside and outside the nuclear membrane was differentiated after the discovery of nucleus. Hence, protoplasm was renamed as cytoplasm. Got the understood? Cytoplasm is so much necessary. Got it? That is the cell fluid. The cell fluid inside the nucleus is known as nuclear fluid or nucleoplasm. Next cell organelles, few important are one by one we'll see in our classes. Okay. We'll discuss most important cell organelle. First one is the mitochondria. Okay, the description of it, the diagram of it. Mitochondria is very important. Next are plastids, ribosomes, third one, endoplasmic reticulum, fourth one, fifth one, Golgi apparatus, sixth one, lysosomes, and seventh is the vacuoles. Now, cytoplasm. When we look at the temporary mounts of onion peel, we can see a large region of each cell enclosed by cell membrane. This region takes up very little stain. It is called the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the fluid content bounded by plasma membrane. It also contains many specialized cell organelles. Each of these organelles perform specific function for the cell. Cell organelles are enclosed by membranes. In prokaryotes, what happened? Besides the absence of defined membrane bound nucleus, the membrane bound cell organelles are also absent, except membraneless ribosomes. Next is the difference between protoplasm versus cytoplasm. For a long time, it was believed that the essence of life was stored in the fluid found inside the cell. Hence, this was named protoplasm, which means life fluid. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum. All are seeing the diagram of endoplasmic reticulum. Learn to draw like that. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. When the cells are observed under the electron microscope, what happened? A network of membranes are observed throughout the cytoplasm. This network creates a passage within the cytoplasm for the transport of food material. This network of membrane is known as endoplasmic reticulum. ER is a short form of it. Is a large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. The ER membrane is similar in the structure to the plasma membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum may have some granule-like structure on its surface, which are called ribosomes. Such ER is called rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Areas or sections of endoplasmic reticulum that do not have ribosomes on them are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is site for protein manufacture. What do rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for? For the protein manufacture. It can be a short answer for 1 mark. The SES, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, help in the manufacture of fat molecule or lipids, and proteins also. These are the important for cell functioning. The manufactured proteins and lipids are then sent to various places in the cell depending on the need using the ER, endoplasmic reticulum. Some of these proteins compounds are seen in this diagram, Golgi complex. This organelle is also made up of several membranes. These membranes create sac-like structures around which many fluid-filled vessels abound. The proteins and other substances produced in the ribosomes reach the Golgi body through the vesicles. Okay, here these substances are altered slightly. In one sense, what happens, the function of Golgi bodies is to pack various substances before they are. Here these substances are altered slightly. In the sense, the function of Golgi bodies is to pack various substances from them, is to pack various substances before they are transported to other parts of the cell. From here, these substances are either sent towards the nuclear cell membrane or to the other organelle, the cytosome. After reaching the cell membrane, these substances are secreted from the cell and sometimes even used to regenerate or repair the membrane. The number of Golgi bodies varies from cell to cell. Their number is particularly large in those cells that secrete hormones and enzymes. Next is the lysozyme, children. One of the facts that troubled the scientists for a long time was that certain enzyme is present in the cell which have the ability to destroy almost all the structures in the cell but didn't damage it. This puzzle was solved by lysozymes, were discovered as tiny particles visible in the cytoplasm. It was found that they contain the destructive enzymes. These enzymes normally do not come in contact with the rest of the cells. The materials that need to be destroyed are transported to the lysozymes. Then the lysozymes get them digested. At times, the lysozymes burst and the enzymes are released to digest the cell. Hence, lysozymes are known as suicidal bags of the cell. What are the suicidal bags of cell? Lysozymes. Learn the spelling also. Next important organelle of the cell is the mitochondria. What happens when we observe this mitochondria in the microscope in a beaker? Let us do this activity with onion peel. Make a fresh solution of Janus green bee in a beaker. Mix 200 gram of green bee in 100 ml. You can do this activity by taking other available material like leaves of Cassia tora or cheek cell. You may have observed green, oval or cylindrical grains scattered in the cytoplasm. These are called the mitochondria. Draw the mitochondria, it's very important, children, okay, and label it and color it properly. Mitochondria are small spherical or cylindrical organelles. Generally, a mitochondria is 2.8 micron long and about 0.5 micron wide. It is about 150 times smaller than the nucleus. There are about 100 to 150 mitochondria in each cell. When seen under the microscope, compound microscope, the mitochondria appears as oval or cylindrical in shape. We'll stop the lesson here. Next class we'll continue. You all note down the homework for today. First one, explain Golgi bodies. Second one, draw and describe mitochondria. Understood, children? Do the homeworks on time properly. Send me by 5 in the evening, okay? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class. Okay, Allah Hafiz.